Unmissable. That's just one very good word to describe the Esperance Bird and Animal Park. If you're traveling with children, you'll need to reserve at least 2 full hours to introduce them to the range in this display. There is so much more than just birds to see. You can get up close and personal with many of the other star terns. Because the display varies season by season, a return visit is always rewarding. Among the other features, a cafe with a very wide range of snacks and treats, and accommodation for those who'd like to while away a day or two. By prior arrangement, your dog will be most welcome too. The Esperance Bird and Animal Park. Unmissable says it all.